Hey everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I'm going to show you how to do a gel marble nail design. This is the first time I've actually done this and I actually think it turned out pretty cool. It's pretty simple, so this will be on gel nail, so you will use an LED lamp or UV if that's what you use. I will be using my gelish LED lamp and I will show you all the polishes I will be using to get this design. So let's go ahead and get started. So first off, as my base coat, I'm using Madam Glam's Soak Off Base Gel. So I did one coat of that and I cured it. Next, I'm using Madam Glam Soak Off Gel Polish, and then this is called Perfect White. So I did one coat of that, so I'm going to be showing you on my ring finger here, and then we're going to be using another coat of that in a little bit. And the colors I chose, I'm going to use this Gelaze by China Glaze, and this is in a liquid leather. Not my super favorite black, but it works. Then I'm going to use Gelaze by China Glaze again, and this is that Shore Bright. I love this color in the normal nail polish version, but it works well in the gel as well. Last, I'm going to be using the Your Sugar K012. This is a gel polish, and I got this off of AliExpress. I did a review on these a little while ago. So we're going to go ahead and get started on the design. So what you're going to do is you're going to paint with that white polish again, or any base color that you would like to use. I'm using white today because I thought it showed up pretty well. And you're just going to do a good coat on your nails. And you're going to leave it wet because you don't want it to be dry or else you can't do the marbling. So now you're going to take your first color. So I always start with the black, which ends up turning into gray because I'm mixing it with the white, which is totally fine. And I'm just going to drop it. I'm going to use a dotting tool. And I'm just going to drop it into the wet polish. And I'm just going to make it 2 drops. And then I'm going to use my other side of my dotting tool. And you're just going to kind of move it around into the polish and get a desired look. If you want to add more black, you can totally do that. I don't want too much black. I just want a little bit more, just to kind of spread it out. And then you just do whatever you kind of think looks cool. So I'm just going to leave it at that, and I'm going to wipe off that black off of my dotting tool. Next, I'm going to take the darker purple and I'm just going to dab into it because that was the Your Sugar one. So I'm just going to dab in there and take a little bit. And again, same thing. You're just putting it into the polish and then just kind of dabbing it where you want it to be. And then using either the same dotting tool or another one and just kind of spreading it around. Whatever you want to do or whatever you think looks cool. You can do like a swirl. I just kind of did whatever for the first time because, as I said, this is my first time doing this and I just kind of played around and thought whatever looked cool. Now I'm going to go into my China Glaze polish and again just dipping it in. You don't want a ton because then it makes it a thicker coat on your polish. But again, just kind of spreading it around, and if you want more of that other color, you just kind of take it back in and just spreading it around. And if you think you have too much polish, you can always take it out. So just clean off your dotting tool and then you just kind of scrape it out. So you kind of get it out if you don't like the look that you got. And then you're bringing in that white again anyways, so. But yeah, so that is kind of what you do to marble it. So once you're happy with it, you can cure this, and then you'll just add your top coat. And that's the finished design. So I hope you liked today's marbling design. I know this one looks a little bit different than my other ones, but these all look different as well. So it's kind of the point that they don't really look exactly the same, which is totally fine because it's a marbling design, but I think it turned out pretty cool. So I hope you liked today's nail design. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.